You can control 100 shares of stock for half the price, with absolutely zero time decay risk, using a strategy hedge funds used to leverage capital. Let's prove the math immediately. To own 100 shares of a $200 stock, you need $20,000 cash. But with the Zebra setup, you control that same movement for roughly $10,000, and unlike standard options, you don't bleed money if the market stays flat. But here is the trap that destroys most traders. Usually, if you try to replace stock with call options, time decay eats your profit alive every single day. The Zebra, which stands for Zero Extrinsic Back Ratio, solves this by manipulating the Greeks. We buy 2 calls deep in the money, and we sell 1 call at the money. Keep this 2-to-1 ratio in mind. It's the engine of the entire trade. Here is the secret sauce regarding the price. The extrinsic value, that's the wasted money in an option, of the one option you sell completely cancels out the extrinsic value of the 2 options you bought. Because that extrinsic value is neutralized, you create a position that moves dollar for dollar with the stock price. You get all the benefits of owning the shares, but you keep half your capital free for other opportunities. Stop renting leverage, start owning the upside.